Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your TV and Bluetooth dongle for pairing and audio output. Inspect your TV rear or side panels for a USB Type-A port and available audio settings. Verify the dongle states Bluetooth 4.0 or newer, which supports audio profiles and lower latency. Confirm the TV USB output delivers at least 500 m, so the dongle receives stable power. If the TV cannot power the dongle, use a powered USB hub or an external 5-volt, 1-amp adapter instead. Plug the Bluetooth dongle firmly into the TV USB port or a powered USB hub. Turn on the TV and navigate to Settings, then Audio or Sound Output menu. Change the audio output to USB audio or Bluetooth device when that option appears. If the dongle includes a pairing button, press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds to enable discovery mode. Keep the TV menu open while you pair your speaker or headphones from the external device. Put your Bluetooth headphones or speaker into pairing mode before starting on the TV. Use a phone or the TV Bluetooth menu to scan and select the dongle when it appears. Keep devices within 10 meters and minimize obstructions to ensure a stable connection. If audio stutters or lags, switch to a dongle and headset that support aptX-LL for low latency. For persistent problems, reboot both devices, update TV firmware, or try a different USB port or a powered hub.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.